I spent $99 on this gourmet pound cake and I have zero regrets. Because whenever you want a gourmet baked good, you will pay a gourmet price. So please quit hitting up your local cake lady for a $20 and $30 pound cake, honey, okay? It's not happening, but let's get into it. This is a sweet potato pound cake from Southern Girl Desserts. In all transparency, it actually shipped to me straight from California. It arrived safely, the customer service was amazing, and the shipping was super quick. Y'all, this thing is filled with nutmeg, cinnamon, tons of spices, and she is thick on thick. Ooh, baby, you gotta wiggle that thing. Oh, snaps. So I got it plated up, and honestly, you guys, the smell is amazing. But let's get into the taste. Y'all, the flavors in this are divine. It is extremely moist. The texture is amazing. I cannot lie. In all honesty, I would definitely give this a 9 out of 10. Only reason why 9 out of 10, I would have loved to see the glaze shipped separately. That way I could have poured it and reserved some of that presentation for when I serve it to my guests. But the crust is hitting. The cream cheese glaze is perfect. The spices are just amazing. And this right here screams gourmet all day. And it's really exactly why.